Hau Raila Odinga ni kahwega ni gutheria uguo kuona ona thengia President William Ruto kwenda kuonia a Kenya Raila Odinga thutha wake Raila Odinga ona agitikiraga maundu macio kuratwika maiguithaniirie ni arikitie kumenya William Ruto kuinuka no nginya akorwo akiinuka thiini wa githurano kinene kiria twerekeire kia mwaka wa 2027. Ici no imwe wa ciugo na iria a Kenya aingi marathie na mbere gukorwo makirekereria guku nenda-ini thutha wa Raila Odinga gukorwo agitheria ciegie uiguano wake makiri na mundu ugwitwo President William Ruto, haria Raila Odinga arikitie gukorwo akionania wazi ati President William Ruto afatie gukorwo agikara na guoya ona thengia wake gukorwo na memorandum of understanding na mundu ugwitwo Raila Odinga. Hindi itana kumenyithia uria Raila Odinga agitheretie higie ngwataniro ino yao makiri na mundu ugwitwo President William Ruto na uria a Kenya magithiete na mbere gukorwo makiuga thutha wa kuona akigaruruka mundu ugwitwo Gachagua. Ni no ngwihoe na gitio kinene muno makiria witikire gukorwo gi-subscribe wa mbere na ndukariganirwo gukihinyaga notification bell niguo kamukagira mohoro ukiri wa mbere riria twagikorwo tugikira mohoro maria marathie na mbere gukorwo makihanika ona hihi gukorwo makihanika guku thiini wa bururi uyu witu wa Kenya. Muthenya ho mothe mugatheti mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto ni marekaniriria ni kana ni makorwo magikanira agreement na Raila Odinga wa kiama kia ODM ni Orange Democratic Movement na bisairia mundu ugwitwo President William Ruto agikorwo akirekereria guku nenda-ini cia kinyaniria maria na mundu ugwitwo Raila Odinga marayionekana maria kenu na magikorwo makionekana makithondekete ngwataniro iria gukorwo ikirehe ciama icio igiri cia uteti thiini wa bururi wa Kenya niguo ODM na UDA. Secretary General wa kiama giki no Edwin Sifuna ni akionekanio nake agikorwo agitugeria kaundu gaka na njira nene na agikorwo agicongratulate eri aya na kuria agikorwo akiuga ati kiama kia ODM ni gikurutithania wira na kiama kia UDA na party leader wa kiama kiu niwe ODM mundu ugwitwo Raila Odinga mena party leader wa kiama kia UDA ni ugwitwo William Ruto magikorwo makinyitithania bururi uyu witu wa Kenya ke maendeleo ya gukorwo eti gutigukorwo kwina ngui ringi cia Gen Z ka gutigukorwo kwina maundu mangi tofauti mako makiaria ati nginya ni megukorwo makirora uhoro wa thogora wa muturire gukorwo ukihamba. Raila Odinga kuona ni kumenyaga ni kuyukio ni a Kenya handu makiruma kuona finally riu mundu uragitwo ni a Kenya ni gukorwo agitheria kana ni kumerio amerio ni mundu ugwitwo President William Ruto. Riu Raila Odinga ni megukorwo magithondeka coalition kana ngwataniro ya kiuteti ria yakiri kuona na President Mohoro kuhwira uria wagikorwo akihuruka na agikorwo akiehera thiini wa thino agikorwo agitutiga Mwai wa Kibaki. U ni gukiuga ati Raila Odinga no ta guthie na mbere arathie na mbere kuona akihura thirikari ya President William Ruto na njira gukorwo akimiruta mahitia undu umwe na atongoria amwe a kiama kia ODM kuona Raila Odinga ena guoya wa gwitikirika gukorwo akinyitana na President William Ruto na guthondeka thirikari. Ngwataniro kana coalition ya kiuteti kuona ni arigikoragwo na akiona uria maundu maragiikaire akona ati no akorwo akiinukia mundu ugwitwo William Ruto thiini wa githurano kinene iria twerekeire gia mwaka wa 2027. Ona gukihwa na uguo we Raila Odinga ni augite ati ti coalition akorwo agithondeka na mundu ugwitwo President William Ruto. We President William Ruto ati ndafati Raila ni okati mwena wake afati aje gukorwo agikara na guoya kuona mundu ugwitwo Raila Odinga angimugaruka ndagika o yothe Raila Odinga asainire agreement iyo yao eri na President William Ruto hatari mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM kuona utongoria wa ODM ndari arakorwo agicokerio gia biu ni kiama giake kuma akiume kuria African Union na uria athiete na mbere gukorwo mutongoria munyitiriri wa kiama kiu ni acting leader ni governor wa Kisumu mundu gwitwo muheshimiwa Anyang' Nyong'o. Ino niyo miario yothe ya Raila Odinga iria ikorwo akiuga we tigo ngwataniro kana coalition akorirwo agithondeka na mundu gwitwo President William Ruto na nie ni ngukorwo ngikuti ciugo icio kiugo gwa kiugo. akoriro akiandika mwena uria wa Facebook. President William Ruto and I have today witnessed the signing of an agreement between our respective political parties. The ODM Party of Kenya and the UDA Party of Kenya have signed a roadmap MOU on how to resolve the socio-economic and political challenges facing Kenya. We have further acknowledged the need to set up a broad platform of collaboration and cooperation between all political forces and other stakeholders in Kenya in order to address these long-lasting challenges that threatening our nationhood. Na wa Kenya maikoro makiumuruka mwana uria wa comment section maikoro makiuga ati mundu witwa Raila Odinga korwo akendia a Kenya agi maikoro makijitana na mundu witwa Raila Odinga maikoro makiuga ati ni agikorwo agika kaundu kega na ni ngoko ngikuot reta uyu akorirwo akiugo na Gen Z professor akauga the rejected stone is now the cornerstone for all Kenyans. Baba, we are proud of you, your good intention of our good country. Na kubran akinyi akawa baba, ya good oanda, mtu asikuambie kitu, mtu anaona umeangusha, pia aambiwe babake take over. Na koliso bire akawa that's for our own personal benefit, mshindwe kabisa. Na Shabrok akawa Agwambo is the political kingpin in Kenya. The old man has always made sure you Kenyans pay dearly for your poor choices. During elections, you picked Kasongo, who lied to you in broad daylight. Kasongo decided to make your life difficult. Agwambo has joined your oppressor to ensure you remember that choices have consequences. Agwambo knows these streets in and out. Na Governor Felix Kakoga wameungana kumaliza Kenya. Na Absalom Alango ayekoro kerekereya domereria emwe humono ayekoro akiugo. Until Kenyans will decide one day to make right choices in the leaders they elect, choices have consequences. That's why he is called Agwambo Tinga. If you don't make right choices, he will come in for handshake in each government to ensure that he join your oppressors. Let's stop tribalism. Kenya unite during the next election and elect the right leaders. God bless Kenya. Congratulations Raila Odinga. Congratulations to Gen Z. It's through your effort that brought Mpenyo in State House. Na Gen Z and all Kenyans that need great change, provide the political stability, exist in Kenya. I'm happy you have been in the street fighting for those who never cares, who never appreciates what you does to them. Baba, eat until 2027, then leave it for Kenyans to make the right decision during that period to elect light readers. If they will not make the right choices again, come to the next government, do handshake and eat proper. We must come up together and do the necessary, making the right choices. Na mudo weto Sylvans Owino aikoro akiandika domeriri yake aikoro akiugo, you have equally enjoyed such handshakes and collaboration with governments of the day. All these problems are always there where you are a part of the government which exploits and in the looting mission. Nothing new work for your stomach and create the obvious government opportunity to your cronies. And Honorable Purity Moshiemo akawa what a bad ending for you. You lost the loyalty of most of your followers as well as respect. Na mudo weto Robi Mwanamboka akawa wherever you will be in 2027, Mr. will be voting against you. You make no sense for Kenyans. And a shame international akawa traitor to the highest order. What a shame. And Isaac Mwancha akawa Gen Z, we are oppositional officials 2027 Sugoi and Bondo direct. And a mudo weto MK Balo aikoro ikiamuho akena kugo aikoro kiugo. The best thing you are to hold you are on bonus anytime, any day. We can have good news as Kenyans. Na Josee Odanga akawa too much literature. You are no longer representing the interests of the young people of this country. Take a back seat if you must dine with people who killed Jemeda, Ongola, and Mosado. And Ati akawa Kenya should have a limit on the number of handshakes a person can have. We are tired. And Paul Owino nalo akawa while presidents have for 10 years and ago, Raila Odinga has been president for the last 30 years. Bila time limit to podi, Baba will rule Kenya mpaka siku ile atataka. And Raisa yule Mkenya akawa conman at its best. I was your die had Baba here, but you have betrayed Kenyans. You are the only concerned about your interests and not about Kenyans. And as Sultan Yusuf akawa, I regret voting for this conman, but I will not repeat this mistake again. And Amodo Oweto Ezra Mutaidhi akawa, I wonder how these Kenyans are going to live in this country if everyone in power is seriously looking for their stomach that are already full. And Eric Kipyegon but we are going to vote for Babu Owino as Nairobi governor. And Modo with Stanley Murigai being a Baba follower, you just need not to have a brain, because if you have, then you won't follow him because he need you without brain. And Modo with Moses Auko I fully support you. Cannot continue to be on the street fighting for people who are never appreciative. And Evans Opio Okelo what I know, Baba will be in the next government regardless of who will be sworn in. And Gikuyu Embu Meru voice Mike Mohoro wa Muisma Koroma Kigo Mzee Raila Odinga has retired Iriene after political conmanship spanning half a century. He all along stood for nothing rather than his stomach. I was very wrong voting for this mzee all along. Woku niko mwanjo wa Mohoro ni no goheo na gitio kinene witikire gukorwo gi subscribe thini wa channel itu nigetha wagikorwo kiamukira maria maragikorwo makihanika guku thini wa nenda cia ukinyaniria.